Hello, and thank you for watching 2carbros.com. In this video, we are going to show you how to do an oil change and filter replacement on a 2008 Scion XD. Let's start with opening the hood and suspending the front end with the e-brake on. Next, locate the drain plug on the bottom of the oil pan. Be sure to have your oil catch can ready when loosening this bolt. At this time, inspect the drain plug washer. If the washer is damaged, it could cause the seal to fail and leak oil. If this is the case, we suggest you replace the washer. Once the oil is done draining, replace the drain plug. Using the appropriate size socket, tighten the drain plug. Our next step is to remove the oil filter canister using a pair of large channel locks. Once you have the canister fully loosened, be sure to have your oil catch can ready. Remove the filter and canister assembly. Remove the old oil filter from the canister. We like to, at this time, compare our new filter to our old filter to be sure a proper install. Install the new filter into the canister. Our next step is to remove the old oil filter ring from the oil filter canister lid. Install the new replacement O-ring to the canister lid. An old automotive trick is to take a small amount of oil and run it around the diameter of the oil ring before installing the canister lid back onto the block. Install and tighten the oil filter cap. Locate and remove the oil fill cap under the hood. Using a small funnel and new oil, fill the block to the proper amount called for in your owner's manual. Once you are done filling it up with the proper amount of quarts called for in your owner's manual, remove the funnel and replace the oil fill cap. Once you are sure that the oil is filled up with the proper amount of quarts called for in your owner's manual, let the car run for 10 seconds, then turn off the car, remove the dipstick, wipe off the dipstick, then install the dipstick again to get the proper read on your dipstick. You want the marking to be in between the low and the full side on the dipstick. This is another video done by 2carbros.com. Thank you for watching.